What is up, guys? Today we're gonna be going to the car meet today, and after that we're gonna hit some legs. So let's get going.
I'm gonna show you guys how to do an effective leg day today. So, hamstring curls to start off our leg days. We're gonna do the John Meadows way. Once again, if you guys don't know, we're gonna do 2 sets of 20, feeder sets, and get our hamstrings nice and warmed up before we squat. And then we're gonna do 2 sets of failure on this. The hamstring curl, seated or lying down, is the only exercise that I really focus on warming up, because this is kind of my ramp up to the squat. This is an effective leg day video. So we're trying to get out of here as fast as possible and as optimal as possible. So let's fucking get it. Working set time. Let's fucking go. All right, I'll try to get 8 to 10 reps on this. I got 9, but I really feel it in my hamstrings. But I got 9 reps, felt pretty fucking good. Really don't know if that was really slow and controlled, but I felt a lot of pressure and tension in my hamstrings. So that's always good to know when you're doing something like this. Smith machine squats, we're gonna work up to 275 on this. 275 sounds pretty good. My goal is to get to 15 reps of 275 before the month ends. So we're really trying to lock in on that, but we're gonna do a couple warm-ups, probably do like 2 to 3 warm-up sets. Go from this bar, plate, 2 plates, 275 for 2 sets, as many as possible, especially if we're on a Smith machine. So we have spotters, we have everything to succeed right now. So let's fucking get it. The reason we're doing very little warm-up because I want to save as much energy when it comes to doing 275, because I feel I over warm up on the squat than compared to any other exercise. Now usually other exercises, usually no warm-up, usually working sets, but this is kind of where I get a little bit scared, to where I over warm up. I'm really trying to get over that. But once again, we're on a Smith, we got spotters, we have every right to succeed right now. Word of advice, wash your knee pads every single week, because if you don't and you let them linger, they fucking stink and ruin your backpack, especially if you're not washing them for multiple times throughout the week and using them multiple times through the week. they're gonna fucking stink. So please, for everybody, wash your knee sleeves once a week. You know your legs are growing when your knee sleeves are starting to feel extra tight. My pre-workout's kicking my ass. Home Essential, Blueberry Raz, code Andy at checkout. Save yourself some money. I've been forgetting my belt for like the past month. It just sits in my car every fucking leg day. And I don't realize it until I'm like about to lift heavy. I forgot my belt. And my gym has a 3-story parking lot. I'm not gonna go up 3 stories to get my belt. We're gonna do some RDOs. We're gonna do 1 warm-up set and then jump up to a working set for 2 sets of 6 to 8. I was gonna do barbell RDOs, but we're here for an effective leg workout. So I don't think barbell RDO is an effective workout right now. 1, because it's busy, and 2, we wanna be able to just put the weight and go. If you're not using reps, you're not gonna get much development in your hamstrings because your grip's gonna give out before your hamstrings give out. God damn. Fuck. Alright, this is our finisher. Some leg extensions. Probably try to do as many reps as possible. Fuck, 2 more sets. But it's pretty good. After that, we'll do some calves. And they're pretty much done. This should probably leave you like 45 minutes or an hour workout. That's the point. I try not to stay here over the 2-hour limit. I think it's useless to be in here for more than 2 hours. I want to be as effective as possible, train as hard as possible, and at the end of the day, don't be a skinny bitch. Fuck. Last set. Let's fucking go. Fuck. That does it for the upper part of our legs. Now let's do some calves. Try to do 3 sets of failure, or like 2 sets of failure on this machine. Let's fuck it up. All right, that does it for the leg workout. A real effective workout today. Sweating, went hard. Wasn't a skinny bitch today. I'm not trying to be a skinny bitch at all. But we're done. See you guys next week.